Howdy YouTube, Eznix here with a public service announcement. This is the last time I will answer any questions regarding logging in my Ezarcher ISOs. I choose to enable a login on the live ISO. I choose to have sudo enabled in the live ISO, and I have a root password set in the live ISO. Yes, I do that. I know a lot of distros don't. I do. I have never had a problem logging in, running sudo, getting to root, or launching the Calamares installer with authentication, which is the user's password, not the root password. So let's go over this one last time. We'll boot up the KDE Ezarcher spin, the most recent, released on May 31st, 2021. I have it here. We will start it. You will see it start. We're booting it up. We can minimize that. And we should get to a login prompt any moment now. Now, the reason I'm doing this video, and the reason this is the last time I will answer this question, is because in the comments, and this has happened before, I do not mean to pick on the current commenter alone. However, this is spurring the last time I will answer this question. Someone had a question about logging in with toor, or starting the Calamares password installer with toor. Toor, T-O-O-R, root spelled backwards, is my root password in the live ISOs. It is not meant for logging in. It is not meant for authenticating Calamares. That is the job of the user password. On my SourceForge site, and this has not changed since day one, user password, live, root password, toor. A user password is used to log in the user. The root password is meant to gain root access in a terminal, specifically with SU. It can have other uses, but that's the primary use. So let's log in with LIVE. Hint, it's the same as the user name. It's printed right there. It's in the instructions on SourceForge. It's in the instructions on osdn.net. Those instructions have always been there. Nothing new to see here, people. Let's get a bigger screen and increase the resolution so we have a better chance of seeing what we're doing. Perfect. Now, the system installer, Calamares, is in the system menu. Install system. It asks for a password. Now, if by mistake you think toor is the one to type in, type it in. You will get an authentication failure. Knowing that there are only two passwords in the entire system, try the second password, LIVE, and what happens? Calamares launches. That's the way it works. That's the way it's always worked. If you have a problem doing that, your download may have been corrupted, or your keyboard may have been corrupted, or maybe your key map is set incorrectly, but it should be US English in the system. If you're using a different keyboard than a US English layout keyboard, that might cause a problem too. Otherwise, it should just work. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult. They're freaking passwords. They're simple passwords. Live, toor, 4 letters each. You only have 2 options. If you mess it up, try the other one. Normally, that should work. As I said, this is the last time I will deal with this stupid problem. This is a user problem. It's not a software or system problem. I leave you with that. Have a good day. Bye-bye.